So I'm working here, Sofia. Today is raining. I buy some pizza. I'm going to my apartment. I was last night. I sleep here. This is called Kamigs rooms apartment. Kamigs Kamigs Kamigs. This is the apartment car. She is going to drop me the airport. Hi, good morning, guys. I'm leaving from the apartment. I'm going to the airport. On the way, there is a small lake. Is there? I can big lake or small lake? Big lake. It's a very big lake. Okay, number 2, the boarding is opening now. I'm traveling to Frankfurt. Bye guys, see you.